General Kulkarni, you have first-hand knowledge of the lay of the land and ground realities. Is there merit, General Kulkarni, in Rahul Gandhi saying that the Prime Minister has succumbed to Chinese pressure?
Gaurav, at the first, very outset, let me first say, I do not belong to any political party. That's the first thing, right? I would speak to you as a veteran. And let me be honest with you, capacity building takes time. Over the years, the military capacity has been built by everybody. There is not one person, not one party which can say that they have contributed to the capacity, that they have not contributed to the capacity. Everybody has contributed. If today everybody is proud of the Indian Army or the armed forces of India, it's primarily because everybody has contributed. What we ought to be grateful is to be provided with a good leadership. And that leadership happens to be there. First thing. Secondly, I said, I think there was some mention of the comprehensive national power, which was referred to as the confluence of systems of forces. I think the military was left out. They spoke about foreign relations, spoke about economy, he spoke about the neighbors, spoke about the will. Let me tell you, the comprehensive national power, the Chinese maybe 2 steps ahead of us. The expenditure on the armed forces maybe 4 times more than us. But the comprehensive willpower, again I repeat, the comprehensive willpower of this nation is tremendous. There is no requirement. There is no requirement to focus or to hit at any personality. We are a nation. The nation
General,
will be
I ask
led
you a specific question. Rahul Gandhi said Prime Minister succumbed. General.
No.
General,
no,
Rahul Gandhi said the Prime Minister succumbed to Chinese pressure. You saw what happened at Galwan. You are looking at situation today. Has the Prime Minister succumbed to Chinese pressure?
No. I would say no. It is because we have been able to stand up to China at Galwan. It is at Galwan that the troops have proved that what they are all about, that you realize it today, that the Chinese are on the back foot. They are not on the front foot. They are on the back foot because they have realized the strength. Probably they misunderstood. They may have thought that the Indian army may not, or the armed forces may not. Maybe there is difference of opinion within the country that things might go wrong. It hasn't happened that way. The country stands united. Number 1. Number 2, the armed forces are strong. Then the number 3, Galwan has given them a very strong. The troops over there were not told what they're supposed to do. They did it because they wanted to do it. They felt pride and proud to be part of the armed forces, and they gave a bloody nose to the Chinese. And that is why the Chinese are on the back foot.
Let me bring in Dr. Patra for more on this then. Okay. Rahul Gandhi says the Chinese are sitting in our territory today, tactically strengthening their position, whether at Demchok or Pangong or Galwan. They have a bigger strategic game in mind with Pakistan. He's accused the government of hiding facts. The Congress party is accusing the government of being economical with the truth on the situation vis-a-vis China. Dr. Patra.
So I'll tell you very frankly, what the veteran over here on your channel rightly said was that as far as the real thing is concerned, it is the comprehensive willpower of the country. And remember, the comprehensive willpower of the country stands behind the leadership that is Mr. Modi. And everyone in this country realizes as to how strong Mr. Modi is. Jo bolta hai, wo karta hai. He walks the talk. We have seen the surgical strike, in fact, which was questioned by the Congress party. We had seen the air strike in the past, which was questioned by the Congress party. And now in this issue, when Mr. Rahul Gandhi says, day after day, he says that. He continues to say that China has occupied our land and our Prime Minister has succumbed. Remember, it's not for the first time. In this video of his, Mr. Rahul Gandhi categorically mentioned that the primary design of China and aim of China is to see to it that Indian Prime Minister appears weak, to attack the Indian Prime Minister. Who is a Prime Minister? Not a person. Prime Minister is the country. And remember, Mr. Rahul Gandhi has been assisting the Chinese dispensation in the same. While he today says that the PM has succumbed, yesterday he had said that the Prime Minister darpok hai, dara hua hai. There was a time when he had released a video saying that Prime Minister kahan chupa hua hai. It is not an attack on a man called as Narendra Modi. It is an attack on the Indian military. It is the attack on the Indian leadership. It is an attack on the comprehensive willpower of Indians as such. Prime Minister has succumbed does not mean that the Prime Minister has succumbed and he is not functioning as the Prime Minister. When we say Prime Minister has succumbed, it means India is defeated. And I today strongly decline
you heard Sambit Patra
with Rahul Gandhi that India has been defeated.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.